An open space layout is a modern and popular architectural concept. They have an airy and spacious feel, but they can also pose some design challenges. So how do you create a cohesive and harmonious look that flows from one area to the next? How do you define different zones for different functions without compromising the openness? How do you add warmth and personality to a large and potentially impersonal space? We are trying to answer these questions in this video. Hi, I'm Lulu, your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and the newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. Watch this video if you are looking for some tips and inspiration on how to decorate an open concept space. You have come to the right place. In this video, we will share with you smart and creative ways to make the most of contemporary open space that brings together the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Let's start with this beautiful design idea. Contemporary apartment with modern open space concept, L-shaped in neutral colors, bright and airy decor, large windows on two sides, allow plenty of natural light to get inside. Here you can see a compact open space with white walls, parquet flooring throughout, and large windows. Two small area rugs divide the space into two zones, a cute tiny living area and kitchen dining area. Smart design idea for a tiny open space. The lack of space makes the owner replace the coffee table with the dining table. Unusual, but practical and functional. Let's step into a small L-shaped open space. The walls are a soothing shade of gray, providing a neutral backdrop to the elegant living room that beckons you in. A blue sofa sits invitingly on the left of the room. In front, there are several wooden coffee tables. The room flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area, an efficient two-wall kitchen layout maximizing the available space. Adjacent to the kitchen is a small dining area, featuring a round table surrounded by four comfortable chairs. It's a perfect spot for intimate family meals or a cup of coffee with a friend. Despite the limited space, the open layout ensures the area feels airy and spacious, a testament to thoughtful design and smart furniture choices. Here we have a rectangular open space, lightweight, stylish and comfortable furniture in the living room and dining room. The clever placement of the furniture makes this living space extremely functional and practical. Adorable design idea for a compact open space. White walls, living room with sofa and armchair in pastel colors. The rest of the furniture is white. Several cute paintings adorn the walls. The dining room features a large rectangular wooden table and chairs. This contemporary open space is a harmonious blend of simplicity and sophistication. The taupe color walls exude a sense of calm and warmth, creating a welcoming atmosphere. The cute dining room is furnished with an oval wooden table and chairs, offering a perfect spot for family meals and friendly gatherings. The small kitchen, though compact, is highly functional with its dark gray cabinets providing ample storage space. A breakfast spot with bar stools adds a casual dining option, making the kitchen a versatile space for both cooking and socializing. This space truly embodies modern living with its thoughtful design and tasteful decor. I will end my presentation with this compact open space. The light gray walls lend a serene and spacious feel to the area. The L-shaped kitchen fitted with sleek gray cabinets optimize space utilizations while maintaining a modern aesthetic. The inclusion of a dining table within the kitchen area enhances its functionality, making it a perfect spot for quick meals or casual get-togethers. Adjacent to the kitchen, the small yet stylish living room is the cozy retreat. The cream-colored sofa invites relaxations, while the metal chairs add a touch of industrial chic to the space. The two small round black metal coffee tables not only serve as practical surfaces for placing items, but also contribute to the overall contemporary vibe of the room. This open space, with its clever design and tasteful furnishing, is a charming blend of comfort and style. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards, and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.